Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Accenture. So in this video, we will be discussing about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity. So we will discuss all the things such as the company information about the job profile, for which location they are hiring, the CTC they are offering, and the educational qualifications, the eligibility criteria, how one can actually fill the registration form for the same. So we will be discussing about all these things in a detailed manner. So please, I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end, so that you can get a complete idea and you will not make any kind of mistake while filling the actual registration form. So please watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, then please let me tell you about Fresher Bee. So in Fresher Bee, I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities, and I also make videos regarding the recruitment process for various MNCs and also the tips and tricks required for the interview preparation. So I make these kind of videos very often on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to Fresher Bee, so that you can get all the information and latest updates regarding various opportunities on a regular basis. So please subscribe to Fresher Bee. So without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, that is about Accenture opportunity. So Accenture is hiring for the position of associate software engineer, and the location for which they are hiring are like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune and Gurugram. So these are the 6 locations they are hiring for, and the CTC they are offering is of a 4.5 LPA. And talking about the company, so Accenture is a global professional service company with leading capabilities in digital, cloud and security, combining unmatched experience and specialized skills across more than 40 industries. We offer strategy and consulting, interactive technology and operation services, all powered by the world's largest network of technology and intelligent operations centers. So this is the information they have mentioned here about the company. So if you are willing to read all this information, you can visit the link. So I have already mentioned the link in the description box of the video, so you can go and check this information out. And if you are willing to read more about Accenture, so here they have mentioned the official link of Accenture. I will also put this link too in the description box. You can go and visit that link too. And talking about the job description, so I will give a quick overview. So join our team that is developing, designing and maintaining technologies that improve the way our clients and the world works. So working in a challenging and dynamic environments, using the versatility to create and support technology solutions that meet client requirements from analysis to implementation. This is the information they have mentioned here in the job description. So further they have mentioned, if you got selected for this position, so what you will be doing in the company. So you will be designing, building, test, assemble, support and configure the application using business requirements, understand business drivers, bake technology trends into solutions, responsible for incident resolution. So these are the things you will be doing. And here they have mentioned what they expect from the candidates. So you can just go to that link that I have already mentioned and read all this information in a detailed manner. So next we'll talk about the eligibility criteria. So all the B and BTech holders in all streams are eligible, and all the 2019 and 2020 grads are eligible for this opportunity. An aggregate of 65% or 6.5 CGPA and no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process and during onboarding. So one should have a minimum score of 65% or 6.5 CGPA, and he or she should not have any kind of active backlog at the time of recruitment process, and maximum 1 year gap in education is eligible. And talking about the work experience, so 0 to 1 year of work experience can apply, and the candidate should have certification, academic, project experience, internship or work experience in the following technologies. Like these are the 3 technologies they have mentioned here. And talking about next thing, the candidate must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. So you can just go through all this information they have mentioned here. We have talked about the basic things one should know so that he can proceed further with the application form. So if you are willing to apply, I have already mentioned the link required in the description box of the video. Just click on that link. You will find a page like this, which you can see on your screen right now. Just read all this information once again and clear all your doubts regarding the position, about the CTC, the location, about the job description, and just click here on the login to apply. Then you have to log in into the eLitmus website. So if you already have an account there, just log in, and if you don't have any account, then you will have to create an account, and after that just log in, and then you can apply for this opportunity by Accenture. So in this way we have seen complete information one should know so that he can proceed with the registration form of Accenture. So we saw all the information about the eligibility criteria, the location, the CTC. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends who are looking for better opportunities, and like this video. And if you came across any type of queries, then please don't forget to mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. And don't forget to subscribe to Freshobi, as I come up with these kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to Freshobi, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such latest opportunity. Thank you.